Hello guys, hope you all good. Let's introduce myself. I am Rohit Kumar, mechanical CAD trainer in CAD Center at Sarjapur. Today I'll discuss about SolidWorks software. Nowadays, many branches using SolidWorks software like mechanical, electrical, electronics and mechatronics. But as a mechanical CAD trainer, I am responsible for mechanical specs in SolidWorks, especially CAD. Here, SolidWorks uses parametric modeling to create 3D CAD. It is an approach by creating some constraints, and based on constraints it uses some features to create a material. Here I will discuss about CAD. CAD is a computer aided design and drafting. With this CAD we can create 2D designs, 3D modeling from 2D design and editing designs also. Now I will discuss about one feature of SolidWorks is cuts. See, removal of material in SolidWorks it is termed as cuts. Here, when we have to create some complex materials, it is impossible or very difficult to create in one step. So what we do, we just split it into two to three parts. In first part, we create some basic material and later on we remove materials to get some specific model. Using cuts only we can get that. So after that we will continue to my PC.
So let's continue here. As I click on this part, I get interface like this. So I'll select part because I have to do part design. On left side, I'll get some information of planes, sketches, features as we do it later. So let's start. So as I told you previously, cuts is a removal of material. So to perform cuts, first we have to some create materials. So let's continue. Here I'll discuss a little bit about parametric modeling, about which SolidWorks is working. So parametric modeling, here first we have to give some constraints like any profile, whatever it is, we have to give it. Just see, I'm dimensioning it at 100. So 100 is horizontal dimension and 100 will be our vertical dimension. So it is a square. Come out. So as it's square, we created on front plane. Material will extrude along front plane only, perpendicular to the front plane. So as I select this one and create extrude, so it becomes in perpendicular to front plane as you see. Okay, just do it. Now we'll talk about cuts. Here we have 7 types of cuts: extrude cut, revolve cut, sweep cut, loft cut, boundary cut, thicken cut, and cut with surfaces. Let's see one by one. See, in first cut extrude we'll discuss. Here first we have to create profile, any profile over any surface or a plane. On that surface, the removal of material should be perpendicular to that. It means if here I will create profile about which I want to remove the material, it will remove material perpendicular to it. If here I will create profile, then here, then it will create it removes material perpendicular to it. So let's do it. Control 8 for normal. I'll constrain it as 20. Exit, extrude cut. See, this much perpendicular to the plane. Just click it OK. Here cuts have been done. So as like it, revolve cut is also there. So as name it is revolve, so definitely it removes material about some axis. So we have to specify axis as well as the constraint about so how much it should remove the material. So let's do it. I'll make a sketch on this plane, sketch, control it for normal. I'll start sketch from midpoint coming out. If I again reach to its end point and come out, then it becomes a curve. So it becomes a curve. So here semicircle will form. Okay. So see here it's shown as blue. So definitely it means it is not constrained. So I have to constrain it. So just give some dimension like 20. Okay. Just come out. Features, revolve cut. Here first I have to select axis about which it should be cut it. So I selected this one. Here one more option is there to select angle of cut, which is here it is 360. So I will select as 270. Just give okay. See how the cut is. Okay. Now we'll discuss about sweep cut. What is sweep cut? Actually, in sweep cut we have to provide two things. First is profile, another one is path. Path means the profile which cuts the material, in which path it cuts we have to provide it. So at start, first we'll start, then we will see. Control 8 for normal. First we have to create profile. I'll just make profile on mid plane, just dimensioning it 20. Exit here. I'll create path over this way, because if I create here, the cut should be hemispherical, so it is easily you can see it very easily. Just sketch it, control it normal. I'll select spline which start from there, and let's I'll some do constraining, because first vertical dimension 30, then horizontal dimension 45, see, as the sketch is constrained, it completely converted into black color. So this is the sign when your sketch is blue, it is not constrained, and when your sketch turns into black, then definitely it is completely constrained. So move it out, insert, cut, sweep cut. Here I'll select profile, and on next we'll select path. See how it is. If I do okay, see the cut is. This is it. Here I'll discuss about little bit one more thing, that suppress. See, when I'm going to delete this feature, then definitely it is deleted permanently. But as I suppress it, temporarily it disables the feature. Okay. Here I will discuss about loft cut. See, in loft cut we have to create two profiles. In that between, the removal of material should be done. Just do it. Sketch over this plane, control it for normal, make it circle. Doing it 30. It start from here and it will goes up to here. So I will create one more profile in this plane. I'll create hexagonal. See, this is completely constrained. Come out. Here one more option is that guide curves, but here I am not using guide curves. Without guide curves, so without guide curves SolidWorks automatically gives guide curve. Let's see. Here I'll select one profile and here I'll select another profile. See the guide curves. I can little bit change also. You can't make it very changeable. See, here it won't work. Yeah, but little bit it can be done. As you see this one. I'll just suppress it. I'll show you one more feature, which is boundary cut. Boundary cut and loft cut is also very similar. Here I'll show you how this boundary cut. In direction 1 I'll select first profile. In direction 2 I'll select second profile. Here it is. Sometime here one dialog box will come. In that you can select some multiple features are like that. Normal to this profile. Here also you can select normal to this profile. Sure. Then the cutting profile should be changed. It is like that. Yeah. I can show you cross-sectional view so you can imagine it very well. See how is it. If I suppress this one, see this one, this is it. Suppress. Okay, so we'll move another topic as thicken cut. For thicken cut, first we have to create fully defined. Go to features. Here we won't get surface command. For surface we have to go surfaces. Just create planar surface, select this profile, create it. Okay. So surface is created. You may not see this surface. I know. Let me show you. Solid body, I hide it. Here you see. This surface is created. It is a two-dimensional body. Okay. To make it visible, solid body. Yeah. Here we can use thicken cut. Just thicken cut. Here first we have to select the surface. Here it is. And another one, we have to create dimension about which it should be cut down, or with how much it should remove the material. In this way no material is there, so removal cannot be done. I can do it in opposite direction, so do it in this way. Okay, see, it is done. This is use of thicken cut. Another one is our cut with surface. So for that also we have to create one surface. So let's do it. Control it for normal. I'll start from here. Just constrain it. Yeah, come out. Again create surface. For it we use extrude command. Surface will extrude about what? Perpendicularly to this plane. So in this direction. Okay. Here insert cut with surface. Here I'll select this surface. Here it shows direction. In which direction you want to cut the body. So if I select this way, it cuts under part. But if I change the direction, just do it, it removes upside material and leave downside material. See how the material is.
To learn more about SolidWorks, kindly visit CAD Center Sarjapur at given below address. If you like the video and need more of these, so please like, subscribe and share and hit the bell icon. Scan for WhatsApp chat with our counselor and book a slot. Thank you.